Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Hey there! Welcome to our video tutorial where today, we will be discussing the proverb, birds of a feather flock together. You've probably heard this saying before, but have you ever stopped to think about its meaning and how it can be applied to our lives? In this video, we'll break down the meaning behind this phrase and show you how understanding and applying this concept can bring luck, help you overcome difficulties, and ultimately lead you to success. To begin, let's first understand what the proverb means. Birds of a feather flock together is an age-old saying that suggests that people with similar interests, habits, or characteristics will naturally gravitate towards one another. Just like how birds of the same species tend to fly together, humans have a natural tendency to surround themselves with others who share their values, beliefs, and passions. Now that we've understood the meaning behind this phrase, let's delve into how applying this concept can bring about positive changes in our lives. Firstly, by surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals, we open up opportunities for collaboration and networking. By spending time with people who share our interests, we are more likely to discover new ideas, learn from each other's experiences, and even find potential partners for future projects. This can significantly increase our chances of success, as we are better equipped to face challenges and seize opportunities that come our way. Another benefit of flocking with like-minded individuals is the potential for personal growth and development. When we interact with people who share our interests, we are more likely to engage in meaningful conversations that challenge our perspectives and expand our horizons. This intellectual stimulation can help us to develop new skills, become more knowledgeable in our chosen fields, and ultimately, become better versions of ourselves. Additionally, being part of a supportive community can greatly improve our emotional well-being. When we are surrounded by people who understand us and share our passions, we feel more validated and accepted. This sense of belonging can have a profound impact on our mental health, reducing feelings of loneliness and isolation, and contributing to a happier and more fulfilling life. Now that we've discussed the benefits of applying the birds of a feather flock together concept to our lives, let's talk about how we can take practical steps to do so. First, identify your interests and passions. This might involve reflecting on the activities you enjoy, the values you hold dear, or the goals you want to achieve. Once you have a clear understanding of what really matters to you, you can begin searching for like-minded individuals who share your interests. Next, consider joining clubs, organizations, or online communities that are centered around your interests. This can be a fantastic way to meet new people who share your passions and expand your social circle. By attending events, meetings, or workshops, you will not only have the opportunity to learn and grow, but also to forge lasting connections with others who share your aspirations. Another great way to find your flock is by volunteering for causes that you're passionate about. Not only will you be contributing to a meaningful cause, but you will also be surrounded by people who care about the same issues as you do, making it easy to form strong connections and lasting friendships. Lastly, don't be afraid to let go of relationships that don't align with your values or interests. While it can be difficult to distance ourselves from people we've known for a long time, it's important to prioritize our own well-being and personal growth. By staying true to ourselves and seeking out like-minded individuals, we are more likely to find the support and encouragement we need to succeed in life. In summary, the proverb, birds of a feather flock together, is a powerful reminder of the importance of surrounding ourselves with people who share our interests and values. By doing so, we can unlock countless opportunities for personal growth, success, and happiness. So, go out there, find your flock, and watch as your life is transformed for the better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video tutorial. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.